Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a TV dinner. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our TV dinner, let's begin with the sides of the tray. I'll begin right here. I'm going to draw a line that comes up at an angle. I'll leave some space, and I will make another line that comes up at an angle over here. Next, let's just draw a line that comes across. And over here, we'll draw a nice line that comes across to connect it. Right here on each corner, let's go ahead and make two little lines that come down. And we want to connect these as well. Now underneath here, I'm going to start in just a little bit. I'll draw a small line here, and we'll do the same thing over here, draw a small line, and you can see I kind of brought them in at an angle. And same thing, let's go ahead and make a line that comes across to connect. Now, right here, we want to make another line across. So we're going to begin by making a line that comes over here. Next, we'll make another line that comes up. And one more right here that's going to come up a little bit. Now, in here, I want to make it look like there's a little chicken leg. So we'll begin with our chicken leg. We'll draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to come down with a curve and come back over like this. We will connect it with a little zigzag line. Then we can draw two little lines coming out for the bone. Right here, I'll make a little bump. I will also put a little bump right up here for the end. I'll continue this line up and bring it to there, and I'll bring this one up and we'll come over. We can just jump over and connect to here. Now on our little chicken leg, I'm going to make a little bit of a line. And I'll just add a few little dots on here for some detail. Starting here, let's add some more little compartments. I'll begin by adding a line right there. I'll leave some space and I'll add another little line right over here. I'll make a small line that comes up on each side, and the same thing over on these. Now, this one I want it to look like there's some mashed potatoes in here. So I'll begin by just making kind of like a wavy, bumpy line that goes from one end to the next. Then I just want to add kind of like a wavy line on here to make it look like there's some gravy on there. I'll also put a little line that goes up, over, and down for some butter. Now over here I want it to look like there are going to be like some peas in here. So to do this, I'm just going to make a bunch of these small little kind of bumpy circle shapes in here. So we're just going to make these come all around here. And I'll just add a few more of these circles in here just to kind of fill it up. And there you go, there is your drawing of a TV dinner. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.